Hooray, hurrah, it's Winchell Mahoney time.
Well, thanks for watching this episode of Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney. That's me, yep. And what do we always say? We say thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. See you then. Hey Jerry, let's keep the video going and so our viewers can see what actually happens after we end a Chit Chat episode. That's a great idea. So what happens? Well, first thing I do is I criticize you. You criticize me? Yeah, for your lack of skill. You know, you think you're a great ventriloquist. I don't think I'm a great ventriloquist. I think I'm an average ventriloquist. So that's what I was going to say. Well, you know, it takes a lot of practice to be a ventriloquist, saying words like the words that begin with the letter P and B. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, here we go. Let's see. I'm going to say the letter, go ahead. You say it. B. All right, let's try B. Baseball. Yeah, that was okay. Not so good. All right. How about the letter P for practice? Yeah, you gotta do that. Deal with our practice. Yeah, exactly. So there's a few other letters that are tough too. What else do we do at the end of Chit Chat? We talk about what the next episode might be like. What are we going to do next time? We talk about what's next. We also talk about what could have been funnier on the episode that we just did. Oh, they're all great. They're all great. Yes, they are. So that's going to do it for this episode of Chit Chat. And Jerry, I thought you came off as a really good-looking human person this time. I'm not? Oh boy, let me put it a different way. Hey Jerry, you came off as a real person this time. Yeah, I'm not. Sorry about that. I think I better stop while I'm ahead. You're not ahead. That's true. All right, thanks for watching. This time, seriously, thanks for watching this episode of Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney. And what? We'll see you next time. See you then.